Hi, my name is Drew, and this is a brief overview of the RWS Mail app. RWS Mail is an easy-to-use email marketing web application that lets you send high-volume marketing or transactional emails. It includes complete list and subscribers management. Manage lists and subscribers easily with RWS Mail. Includes mass import subscribers from Excel or CSV, single or double opt-in support, custom subscribe or unsubscribe confirmation page, autoresponder for subscriber welcome goodbye emails, list segmentation support, delivery tracking and statistics reporting, delivery tracking of every single email sent out from RWS Mail. You can always find out whether or not your emails reach subscribers' inbox. Opens, clicks, bounces, complaints are all automatically recorded and visualized using interactive charts and data tables. RWS Mail's different types of reports give you lots of valuable information to help you improve your campaigns going forward. Beyond the acquisition of leads from pay-per-click, there needs to be a standard procedure for nurturing the leads. Lead nurturing has been proven to increase sales and improve lead retention. By nurturing leads with relevant content, such as drip email campaigns, you can effectively encourage the right buyers to engage with sales at the right time and improve overall lead generation ROI. Lead nurturing with drip email campaigns will provide relevant information, including new listings, neighborhood market reports, and articles pertaining to the buyer's interests. We can provide a sophisticated email marketing campaign that will help maintain relationships with buyers over time. We need to be the trusted provider of the information they seek. Nurturing these leads with targeted, segmented content is the best way to win their trust and keep you in front of buyers. All leads can be exported from the CRM Microsoft Excel compatible file if you prefer to use your own CRM. Advanced Email Template Builder allows you to easily create different layouts for your email blast. RWS Mail comes with an advanced email template builder as well as dozens of pre-built email template layouts for you to start on. Fully responsive. RWS Mail is made fully responsive. You can access RWS Mail web app using any device from your PC, tablet, or smartphone. Embedded subscription form to your own website. We support embedding subscription form to collect subscribers for your campaign. That is, after creating a mailing list, you can design and customize the subscription sign-up form for the list and embed it into your own website, your own brand, look and feel. Mailing list. RWS Mail makes it easy to manage your mailing list and subscribers. Before you can send an email, you must first create your mailing list. Mailing lists consist of subscribers' names, email addresses, and other important information. Mailing lists help you stay organized with your subscriber data and include tools that will enable you to quickly grow your mailing list. RWS Mail includes embedded forms and customizable pages to help you build your mailing list. Landing pages allow visitors to subscribe, unsubscribe, and manage their profile. Every list includes customizable landing pages that help you grow your mailing list and increase subscribers. You can create embedded forms for your contacts to sign up for specific lists. Embedded forms can be displayed within your own website. Simply copy and paste the provided embedded code onto your website to display the custom sign-up form. Once your mailing list is ready, you can create an email campaign to send to your list. Go to Campaigns, Create Campaign, choose the mail list to send, and follow the steps to set up and send your campaign. Automations allow you to automatically or conditionally send email campaigns to your list or individuals in response to several types of events. For example, you can configure the application to automatically follow up an email when it is opened or clicked by the recipient. You can design workflows to automatically send multiple email campaigns when your custom conditions are met. You can create custom specific conditions that will trigger the automation. For example, you can select event-based list subscription. When a new subscriber is added to the list, the automation will be triggered. You can also set a delay so that the automation will be carried out at a later date.